If you want to learn everything about search term report, how to find keywords to negative, how to find keywords to launch to exact to harvest, and if you also want to know which keywords should be paused and should be continued, how to reduce wasted spend, basically everything about search term report, this video is for you. And thanks for this Reddit post. It actually inspired me to create this video. So this is the Reddit post. He asks, what numbers do you look at first? How do you decide which keywords should be moved or harvested? How do you find keywords to negative to reduce wasted spend? What CTR, CVR, or ACOS level make you keep or pause a keyword? How do you discover profitable keywords from the report that weren't in your original keyword list? So if this is one of your question, this video is perfect for you because I will answer this one by one. So let's start with this one. What numbers do you look at first? Number one is you should look at spend. Why? Because let's say you have two keywords. One keyword has 100% ACOS but it only spent $10 last 30 days. And keyword 2 has 60% ACOS but has, let's say, $200 in ad spend. It seems like you have to worry on the one with 100% ACOS, right? But it's not. That's actually the wrong thing that you should focus on because the one that's gonna move the needle is the one with the highest spend. I'm not saying that you should not optimize the one with 100% ACOS, but since the question is asking what numbers do you look at first, you need to look at the spend first, then ACOS second. So find which keywords has the highest spend with, let's say, 50% more in ACOS. So that's how I do it. And the next one is how do you decide which keywords should be moved to exact? So this is actually gonna take you a lot of time before. But now since we already have Claude and ChatGPT, it made everything way easier. So I can actually show you a demonstration on how you can do a harvesting or how you can find keywords that you can harvest or move to exact using Claude, because we can actually ask Claude to build a tool where we can just upload the search term report and it can spit out the keywords that we can harvest. So actually, let's try. So while waiting for this tool, I will try to answer some of the question that we have in here that doesn't require the tool. So how do you find keywords to negative? That's actually included in the tool. So let's wait for that and skip this question. What CTR, conversion rate, or ACOS level? So CTR, it actually depends. And it depends on your category. You can actually search Google. Let's say your category is automotive. You can search what's the average CTR in automotive. So you can use that as a basis because some product will have higher CTR and some product will have low CTR. And in conversion rate, this is usually 10%. But again, this depends on your category. Instead of giving you a, a generic answer, I would recommend you to check on Google what's the average conversion rate on your category. Then ACOS. This is pretty easy. So you need to check your profit margin. So let's say you have 30% profit margin. I would not recommend you to have 30% ACOS above. So you can still have 30% ACOS, but do not go above that for exact keywords. So let's say STR keywords. That I'm going to advance in here, but that's just the basic. So if you have 30% margin, don't go above 30% ACOS. If you have 40% margin, don't go above 40% ACOS. Anyway, how do you discover? So I think, and this one is just the same question. And he said he's trying to improve your ranking, reduce wasted spend, and find new keywords that can generate more sales. So let's go back in here and let's see if it's done. I think it's not yet. So I will have to fast forward this video so you don't need to wait for minutes before this tool get finished. So the tool is already done. Let's see if it will work. Again, going back to the question in here, this tool should be able to help you find keywords to negative to reduce wasted spend, and this should also help you find keywords to harvest. So yep, I think it's already done. And this prompt, I will paste this under the video, so don't worry about that. Just copy it and paste it in here. And in order to find the search term report, all you have to do is, let's say this is your campaign manager. Just click this. Nope, not that one. Just drag your mouse in here to the left. You will see sponsored ads report. Then create report, search term report, and I would recommend you to go as far as you can. And on my side, I can go till April 20 to June 21 or June 23, whatever. I already downloaded the the file, so it's already in here. All I have to do is just upload it in here. Where is it? I think I haven't downloaded it yet. Let me go back. Download it. So from here, once you downloaded it, you can go back to Claude, open this, then left click, just hold it, just drop it in here. Then it said proven sales to harvest. And this is the ones that are recommended to be negated. As you can see, this tool is actually amazing. And I just did this for minutes, right? And back then, you will not be able to do this. You have to learn filtering. You need to learn pivot tables and just to have something like this. Anyway, so as you can see, we have keywords with high clicks like this, 31 clicks, 0 orders. So it's recommending me to negate this. This one as well, we have 32 clicks and 1 order. And so this is just on my side, but I think on your side, you will have more than 5. So, and next one is for the harvesting. So you can see this one, we had 15 orders and 100 clicks, and it found it in the auto campaign. So as you can see, this is really great. And yeah, you can also download this, I think. Let me check. Can you download this? Export harvest. You can do it. So it's blocked as of the moment. I don't know why. Let's go back to the tool in here. Let's remove this. So let's upload it again. And let's try if we can export the results. So you can actually download it as well. Then it will be brought here. And you can open it in your Chrome. And let's see if from here, we can now export the keywords. So this the keywords that should be negated. This one is the ones that should be harvested. So let's see if we can harvest. So you need to download the HTML tool. So from here, you will see download HTML. Then it will be brought here. Then just open it, and it will appear like this in your Chrome. Just upload the same search term report. Then from here, you can actually export the keywords to harvest, and keywords to negatives. So let's open it. So this is the keywords or the search term reports. So I hope this video is very helpful. And if you need help on your Amazon PPC, or you want us to do an audit on your Amazon campaigns and listing for free, just go to oddboxppc.com, book a call so we can discuss on how I can bring value to the table. And like I said, and how we can give your account an audit for free. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback or comment about this video, comment it down below. And if you want to learn more about how to use Claude in your Amazon business, just go to my channel, which is AdBox PH. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.